Honey Lime and Sriracha. 3 strong flavors that combine for a delicious sauce. If you want to see how to do that? It's coming up right now. Welcome back, Jason Canal, GQue BBQ. I'm going to show you how to make a Honey Lime Sriracha Sauce. This is the exact same recipe we've used in the restaurant to make our Honey Lime Sriracha Wings. However, don't just limit it to wings. It's delicious on all poultry. To make the sauce, I'm going to add 4 ounces of butter, 4 ounces of Sriracha sauce, 6 ounces of Frank's Red Hot sauce, 2 ounces of lime juice to give it that bright citrus flavor, 2 ounces of white vinegar to give it that tangy pop, and then 10 ounces of honey to really sweeten and tie everything together. We're going to add this to the grill, let all those wonderful flavors homogenize, and in about 15 minutes we're going to have a delicious Honey Lime Sriracha sauce. Now's a good time to give the sauce a taste. If it's too sweet, add a little more Red Hot or Sriracha. If it's not sweet enough, add a little more honey. Everything's melted into each other nicely. You don't want to leave this on too long or else it can burn and scorch the honey. For chicken, I recommend that sauce on wings, breasts. If you want to see me make it, a whole video recipe on drumsticks, hit that subscribe button. Click that bell notification and you'll get notified because that's coming out next. If that looked good, if that's something you want to try, give me a thumbs up. Jason Canal, GQue BBQ, and I'll see you on the next one.